India broke the Edgbaston jinx. The script was flipped as India won a test match in Birmingham after 9 attempts. The 336-run victory was fashioned by Indian bowlers who critics thought didn't have the skill set to take 20 wickets. But Mohammad Siraj and Akashdeep had other ideas. The duo took 16 wickets between them and outbowled their English counterparts by a big distance. Bowling was supposed to be England's weakness and it was left exposed in the second test. India have ranked up scores in excess of 400 in 3 innings and England's buzz bowlers covered up for the inept bowling. The belief that England could chase any fourth innings target was shattered. England were beaten fair and square. The pitches for this season were un-English. No seam movement and little swing. The ball caused some discomfort to the batters when it was new and the Duke ball surprisingly went out of shape. The Indians exploited the new ball and made it talk. England was reduced to 25 for 3 in less than 8 overs in the first innings, and in the second innings by the time the ball lost its freshness the hosts were down by 3 wickets. The Edgbaston pitch resembled a subcontinent pitch on the final day, with cracks appearing much to the discomfort of the English batters. Akashdeep found the right length to harry the batters and was rewarded with a maiden 5-wicket haul. Stokes complained of the nature of the pitch and England will go back to juicy track for the Lord's Test. They have brought in Jorfa Archer and Gus Atkinson to the side, hoping their extra pace will worry the visitors. But it comes with an element of risk as both players are coming after injury layoffs and may not be at their best, but it is a risk England is willing to take. India will also be boosted by the return of Jasprit Bumrah, who will make this attack look even more lethal, and for the first time in this series, England will be under pressure.